little bit cloudy.
Yep. Well, hello everybody down there. Yeah, there comes the sunrise. Okay, hello Houston. We got a good clear view of it.
The orbiter passing directly over Houston right now.
Looking at yourself, camera A.
We agree.
There you go.
Looks great.
On the on-orbit installed handrail without the bolt, it went on well. The arrow helped to know which way to engage it. The lock devices float freely, so though we had intended to not lock it, they lock themselves, and they don't stay where you put them. They just float freely back and forth. I rate the lock part of that a D because it doesn't stay where it belongs. The actual engagement of the handrail and placing it in place is a B. There is compensation required. And the soft dock does not stay well. When it's soft docked, it comes right off.